Hey there, it's Tony with Fieldpiece, and today I got 3 simple tips to help you pull a better and faster vacuum on most HVACR systems. Tip number 1, remove as many restrictions to flow as you can in your evacuation setup. So right here, I have a direct connection between the vacuum pump and the system, and you should remove valve cores from service port connections. Doing so will limit the number of connections in your setup and increase your overall flow, allowing you to pull a deep vacuum fast. Tip number 2, use larger diameter vacuum rated hoses when pulling a vacuum on a system. The larger diameter increases your overall flow rate, which also helps you pull a deep vacuum fast. Tip number 3, you want to connect your vacuum gauge directly onto the system and as far away from the vacuum pump as you can. In my setup here, I'm pulling a vacuum through the suction line, and I've connected the vacuum gauge on the complete opposite end of the system at the liquid line service port. Doing this ensures that I pulled a deep vacuum throughout the entire system. So now that you have a good idea on how to hook up your vacuum pump and your micron gauge to pull a fast vacuum and get an accurate reading, let's fire it up and evacuate the system. So today to pull the vacuum, I'm using the Fieldpiece VPX7. It's a 10 CFM dual stage vacuum pump with the run quick oil change system on it. Now right off the bat, thanks to the large viewing window to the oil, I can see that it's cloudy due to the moisture that's being removed from this system, and it probably needs to be changed so I can speed up my overall vacuum times. And the great thing about Run Quick is I can do that on the fly. So let me show you how. You have a ball valve here that you open up and you drain your oil into this empty oil cartridge right here. Now once that's completely drained from the basin, you close your ball valve, you pull out the oil cartridge, you cap it, and you set it to the side. And on the side here, you have fresh oil that you could always keep handy. Screw off the top, take off your oil cap, and pour your fresh oil into the vacuum pump, and you've changed the oil. Now with your empty cartridge, you put the cap here on the side and you plug it back in here, ready and waiting for your next oil change. In addition to the Run Quick oil change system, you have 4 inline ports, nicely spaced so you can easily connect and disconnect your hoses. You can connect 1 or multiple hoses at the same time to help speed up your vacuum. And there are ports for a 1/2 inch, 2 3/8 inch, and a 1/4 inch port for hoses. And finally, what makes the VPX7 the top of the line vacuum pump from Fieldpiece is our patent pending EPO coated pump technology, which increases the durability and lifespan of your pump, which means it'll last longer in the field and reduces the weight to only 24 pounds, making it a lot easier to transport to and from the truck and up and down those ladders. And the entire line of new Fieldpiece vacuum pumps are A2L tested and certified. I'm done pulling my vacuum. I hope you enjoyed our 3 tips on how to pull your vacuum faster and get an accurate micron reading. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks from Fieldpiece.